How's it going, guys? Noah here from Johnson's RV and Auto. We are here in the shop today with a brand new trailer from a brand new line that we just picked up this year. This is the 2023 Salem FSX 163RDSK. This is going to stand for a rear desk. It's actually, kind of a traveling business person trailer or a good couples coach. It's going to come in at 23 feet overall length, 4,500 pounds. I'm excited to show you guys this one. Starting up front, you are going to get a manual jack, very easily upgradable to a powered jack, 20-pound propane tank with a cover, that is standard, and you will receive a brand new battery on purchase of the trailer. As you can tell here, guys, it says platinum on it. It is a platinum package, getting that fiberglass exterior. It looks really, really good, nice and easy to clean up. In addition, you are going to get a 200-watt solar panel on the roof with the charge controller already built in. Coming down the side, they are going to give you a flat top griddle in your front compartment here, and there is plenty of storage accessible from the other side. Large power awning, nice bright LED awning strip. They are going to give you an outdoor shower here as well, and we're going to access right into the back of the trailer and show you the inside. So into the interior of the 163 RDSK, we're in the entertainment space, or workspace I should say. There's lots of lighting in here, windows all around. It's very, very bright. Plenty of storage space for a trailer this size. And it looks really, really good. If you are traveling for work, this is going to be way better than, living in a suitcase, staying in a hotel room every night. There is lots of space in here to, call it your own. Lots of storage space in the kitchen here. Bring more food with you. Lots of space for clothes. It might be a better option. Let's start off with the coolest feature in this FSX lineup. This is going to be the fridge door that opens up from either side. You can open it if you're outside, hanging out, or if you're sitting at your desk, working hard, you need a cold beverage. Very easy. You can open it up right there. What a cool feature. Great use of space. Great location for the fridge in this unit as well. Microwave up top of the desk area here with two cupboards, giving you plenty of storage space. Nice big desk here with a large window right in front of it. There's going to be some storage underneath the desk here, and as well as two drawers here on the side. Onto the slide out here, you're going to get a jackknife sofa, 3 large windows around it. There's going to be plenty of storage space under the couch as well, and there is a recliner on it, so you have the comfiest seat possible. Coming into the kitchen, Greystone range hood, sleek Greystone 2-burner cooktop with the cover, giving you plenty of prep space in here. Very sleek, it looks good, and it's going to give you more counter space, which you need in these smaller trailers. Up top here, this is going to be your TV location. The bracket's already there. Great spot to put that, or you can use it for more storage space. Covered up here as well. Right underneath that, you are going to have your sink with your integrated drying rack cover and a Bluetooth speaker, which is completely portable. It can come off the wall. You can take it outside, or you can listen to it right in here. Covered underneath the sink that runs all the way back. Lots of room in there. And you're going to get 5 large drawers right underneath the stove here as well. Let's go take a peek into the bathroom and bedroom. So it's going to be a walk-through bathroom on this trailer. On this side, you're going to have a nice big residential shower with a nice curtain door here. Very easy to clean, and it's completely waterproof. You're not going to get water all over your floor. Into the other side of the bathroom, toilet here, and you're going to have a sink over here with some storage underneath, and as well as a medicine cabinet. Walking right through your bathroom, you're going to come into your bedroom here. You're going to have storage on right around the bedroom. Those are very, very deep with a hanger in there, and as well as some overhead storage. And underneath the bed, you are going to get your Salem signature 4 bins, and you can access right into your storage underneath the trailer. There you have it, guys. It's the 163 RDSK from Salem FSX. I'm very excited about this unique floor plan. I think there's a market for it. Everybody's traveling for work, it seems. And, instead of staying in that dirty hotel room, this might be a great option for you. Or if you're, always on the road, traveling all the time, love camping, but you need to have a workspace with you, you're going to get it with this nice big desk. Like I said, it's 23 feet, 4,500 pounds. There's plenty of space in here, plenty of amenities. I think you guys are going to like this one. If this is something of interest, come down to Johnson's RV, ask for Noah, and I'm going to give you a tour.